Hi, welcome back friends. In previous video we have successfully shown our date using of our button click. So now in this video we are going to write the variables for getting the value from this all fields like subtotal, discount and SGST and total, and then the payment type and due and the paid. So from this field we are getting the values in the variables, and then using of those variables we will insert data into the database. So let's start. Simple. First of all, comment out this method, and after the order date we need dollar subtotal, and then here in this subtotal we need to pass txt subtotal name attribute. Okay, so this name attribute we need to create. So let's copy this and let's Control plus F press and paste it here, and you can see here there is no txt subtotal, but here is txt subtotal underscore id. So here we need to give the name attribute. Okay, let me paste it. Perfect. So what is the use of name attribute and id? In the previous video we were working with id because we were working with the jQuery and JavaScript and Ajax code. So when we are working with jQuery or JavaScript, we use id attribute, and when we work with server-side script for inserting that data into database using of any language like PHP, Java or C# or any other server-side script, so at that time we use name attribute. Okay, so in this video we are inserting the data into the database. That's why we are using txt subtotal, not txt subtotal underscore id. Okay, so we need in every field the name attribute. So after the subtotal here, after the subtotal here we need dollar discount. Okay, and txt discount. Okay, so let's give txt discount name attribute for the discount field. So let's copy and let's paste here, and here is our discount field. So you can see here discount field in percent, and here our discount field in rupees or in dollar. We can, if you are use dollar, so I'm using here RS for the rupees. So in the rupees you can see here this field, but we are using the percent field here. So let's give here. Okay, and just like that we can give for other field also. Okay, so this field we are not using. From this field we are not inserting the data into the database. We are inserting only the percent value, discount percent value into the database, and SGST percent value into the database, not the rupees value. Okay, or the number values we can say. So here also we need to give the name attribute. So name, and let me copy this, and here I can give SGST txt SGST. Okay, and here just like that we can txt CGST, we can give txt CGST, and after that we are not giving here the name attribute because we are not using this field, fields for inserting the data. Okay, we are using the percent fields only. Okay, so don't be confused. And after that we need a total field. So here in the total field we can again give name attribute, and here we can give txt means text field, so txt total, and after the total here you can see our payment type. So here the name attribute you can see the R3, so we can give here RB radio buttons. Okay, so let's change RB from R3 RB, okay, radio buttons. And here we need to give the value. So let's give value, and inside the value we need to pass the value. For the cash, here we need to pass cash, and here we need to pass card, and here we need to pass check, payment by check, okay. So after that we have input which is due. So here also we need to give name attribute, so let's give txt due, okay. And here for the paid, let's paste, and here let's give txt paid, paid paid. And after that, okay, this is our button. Perfect. Let's save our file and let's go above of the code, and here we need to create now we need sgst, okay, and here txt sgst. Perfect. After that we need cgst, then dollar txt cgst, and after the cgst we need total, and for the total dollar underscore post txt total, and after the txt total we need dollar div txt div, and then dollar paid. Perfect, okay. And after the paid and before the txt we need a payment type. So here we can create a variable payment underscore type, then dollar underscore post rb, okay. Here we are passing rb for the radio buttons. Perfect. Now we want to see the value of that variables we are getting or not. So what we need to do, simple, let me arrange the code first. Perfect. Cut this and let's save, and here let's uncomment this method var underscore dum, and here we can pass dollar underscore post, okay, and save, and let's run our code, refresh our page, and let's select any value or any product. Now you can see the subtotal is 160, discount is 2%, SGST 2.5%, CGST 2.5%, and the total is 164. And let's select card instead of cash, and let's give here 200 at the place of paid, and due is minus 35.20, okay. So let's click on save. Our code is working or not, let's see. Perfect. So let's see the PID, and okay, product array, this is the product, and the stock, and the price, okay, sell price 160, subtotal is 160, SGST TXT 2.5, and radio button is card, okay, TXT due is minus, okay. So our code is working perfect, okay. So let's refresh again, and I hope you got this what I have done here. And let's see the date. Save and refresh, click here, you can see here the date also, okay. So our code is working perfect now, and in the next video we will write the insert query for all that variable. So I hope you got this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you